even billing. For data and voice, the customer's choice is Optimum Business. Call 1-866-580-1366 today.
Heighten your experience this summer. Visit the Infinity Limited Engagement Summer Event now to take advantage of our best offers of the year. Lease an Infinity G sedan for $379 per month or get 0% APR financing.
And now a News 4 exclusive. Federal investigators crack a massive mortgage fraud case, surprising their prime suspects in an early morning bust. Paisley Chang has been following the case for several months, and she was there this morning when the suspects were arrested. Paisley?
Sue, when we first covered this story, that was back in October 2007, and we were only aware of 2 cases of alleged mortgage fraud. Today, the FBI arrested 3 people, accusing them of defrauding banks of millions of dollars. And they carried this out, investigators say, by fabricating bank statements and income amounts to secure large loans that no one would ever pay. At dawn, FBI agents descended upon this home in New Hyde Park and arrested Barbara Armas Coronado, who was cloaked in a red sweatshirt, and her husband, Nervin. Officials allege the 2 defrauded banks of roughly $13 million.
Show's over. You can go now.
A family member who didn't identify herself declined to speak after federal agents drove the Coronados away.
Are you going to talk to us afterwards, then?
Nearly 2 years ago, we tried to interview Armas Coronado outside her office. Then she was vice president of this Jackson Heights office of Coldwell Banker Laffey Associates. We wanted to know how she was able to secure a loan for more than $800,000 for this woman, Yolanda Jaramillo, a cleaning lady who didn't make more than $12,000 a year. We didn't get an answer. But today, in a 13-page complaint, prosecutors allege that the Coronados, along with lawyers, mortgage brokers, and appraisers, sought people who lacked the financial means to purchase real estate but may have had good credit, that they prepared loan applications that falsely inflated the would-be borrower's earnings and/or savings, and that even though buyers often defaulted on their loans, the co-conspirators profited from the transaction's real estate commissions. Julio Valdez used to work in that office and says he was contacted by the FBI after our story aired, and he told federal agents what he knew, but he says he had also tried to tell Laffey's corporate managers.
I provided them with tangible evidence of the fraud that was being committed in this place. The corporation and the whole management didn't care. They were more concerned about making their commission.
We contacted Laffey Associates, and they told us that Coronado and his wife were let go from the company several months ago, and that because the company is currently involved in litigation against these individuals, we respectfully decline comment on this matter. A third man, Ricardo Gutierrez, was also arrested today for his alleged role in the fraud. He and the Coronados were released on bond but had to surrender their passports. Lawyers for all 3 of the accused say if they are indicted, they will all plead not guilty. Officials also say at least 1 more arrest is likely and that the investigation is far from over. Chuck?
All right, Paisley, thank you. A dead humpback whale washed ashore on Monmouth Beach this morning. Humpback whales are